Hiya, welcome to my channel if you are a new subscriber, and welcome back all my returning subscribers. It's so nice to have your company. I'm going to start off with this binder. I'll be doing these three: the autumn, the £80 puzzle, and the £100 rainy day wellies. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and 10, 15, 20, 25. Instead of 140, there's 125 here. Reason being, I paid the £13 back to shut the box. It was 13, but I put 15 in, round it off. So that's 125. I am looking forward to stuffing today, and I hope I got enough space because I'm cramming everything in now. They've got to stay in, I'm afraid. They have to stay in. Oh dear. I am doing the autumn leaves. That's £90. I have done the £9 one, so I did it all at once. They were £1 each leaf, so I did that one, so I put £10 in there for that. And then the £45 one, each leaf was £5, and I've done that, so that's all completed. And I've just got the £90 one to do, which is £10 a leaf. I'm not going to colour in the leaf, I'm just going to highlight it so I know that I have paid it in. What colour orange? Shall I do a deep orange? Let's do, yeah, so I know that I've finished colouring that in, and that's £10. Good. And I'm going to do the puzzle today as well, which will get £20. Each piece of the puzzle are £2. And I will just give it a line so we know. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. When I'm sitting down, you see, just getting my thoughts together, just feeling good, I will just sit down and colour them in. £100 rainy day wellies. And I'm going to do £10, £5 each welly. I do 2. And I'm going to do it in this dark blue so I know I'll colour that in later on, and that's getting £10. Lovely. I've got 3 more here. I've got 2 more here. I've got £300 one and a £500 one. A couple videos ago I did mention it, and I got quite excited because those are bigger numbers, you know. I want to put some money into this one. I'll put 10. It is save £200. I'll put 10 in, and I usually just mark it in black so I know I've done it. Oh, why have I got 2 in here? Oh, I know I've done it. Yeah, that's good. I've saved so far 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 pounds so far. And that's okay. Give it a wafty wafty. And let me get some change actually. 10, 20, 30, 40, 20, 40. And we will do Leap of Faith, Tremendous Leap of Faith. That will get £10. There we go. I think this might be the last £10. Let me just double check. Nope, we've got one more 10 down here. That's good, that's good. And then we'll just go on to the bigger numbers. That's 10. And we'll give that a little wafty. And I'll be saving the money. I didn't do any last week, and I'd like to do one today. Now let me see what is the lowest we've got here. The lowest is 15, because I've done all the 10s. So there's 15s, 20s, 25s and 30s. I will do 15, of course, and mark that off. 15. A little wafty. And that will go in here. Right. Let's see what we've got left. We've got 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Do you know what I'm going to do? Shut the box. I'm going to get that done. Get that over and done with. Yeah. Get that over and done with. Call it a day. I don't want to see any more shut the box. No, I'm only joking. I shouldn't be like that. There we go. And I did have the dice out already. I did want to finish it, to be quite honest. Right, let's do this. So I've put paid here, and I ticked it for the £13. Okay, we've got a 5 and 3. I will do the 8. Five and 2 is 7. 3 and 1, 4. 6 and 1 is 7. 6 and 1. Come on, don't give me any silly numbers now. I suppose it's been okay, right? 4 and 3, 7. 5 and 2 I can do. Okay, alright, alright. 6 and 3. Let's do a 3 and call it a day. Call it shut the box, come on. 6 and 5. So we've got £3 to put in there. And I will just put 5. And let's go again. That's 6, 2 3s. 6 and 5, that's 11. 9 and 2, or 8 and... I don't want to do the 1. 8, 9, 10, 11. Let me do the 8 and 3. Yeah. 11 or 7 and 4. 7 and 4. 7 and 3 is 10 and 1 is 11. One and 6. And let's go. Oh, let's do that again. Five and 3 is 8. I'm out. Right. I've got here 9, 10, 11. 11, and I've got 3 here. Okay, that's good. So we'll just do 15 for shut the box. Yay! That weren't so bad, was it? No. And sometimes when you just don't have the money, you see, you don't mind getting the high numbers and putting the money in, but sometimes when you just don't have it and you want to share it amongst other challenges, that's when it gets a bit awkward. I'm going to count this up, but not right now. So it was £20 that I got for those 2 rows, and I will know how much I've got in this envelope to count up for shut the box on its own, because I've got the mini challenge in this envelope with shut the box, so I'll know from here the total to take out of this envelope. That's not bad. So we've got 3 there and 11, and that's been paid. I'm hoping that I can maybe do another one in the new year. Just depends. I'm going to use this £30 for rollover. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, £90 for sinking funds. Yep, that's that. Right, another week of savings challenges. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.